Your mindset is like a GPS. It puts you on the right or the wrong track. Today's story is about mindset. It answers an important question. Do I have the right mindset? So why is mindset important? Our mindset shapes our thoughts, feelings, and decisions. Choices we make define our past, present, and future. Know the ABC of mindset, and by the end, you will know 3 steps on how to improve your mindset. Welcome to Agna Academy. Life is shaped by the choices you face and the decisions you make, whether it's personal challenges, career growth, or building a business. Your mindset is your greatest tool for success. So ask yourself, do I have the right mindset? Well, the recipe for success is based on having the right mix of ingredients that determines your mindset. Let's explore this recipe with 3 key ingredients: attitude, belief, and culture. Let's dive in. Let's understand mindset through a simple scenario. Imagine new neighbors moving into your area. How do you respond? Do you welcome them as an opportunity to expand your circle of friends or see them as a disruption? This is your attitude. Do you believe everyone belongs or let hidden biases hold you back? This is based on your beliefs. Does your culture inspire oneness and openness and growth or create barriers to connection? This is based on your own cultural upbringing. Think about it. Your mindset shapes your choices. Take a moment to reflect. What would you do in this particular situation? Here's further insight into the nature of our mindset. First is our mindset shapes the lives we lead and the actions we take and future we create. We've already discussed that. Here are 3 principles to reflect on. First is mindsets are habits of mind. They guide our thoughts and behaviors, often without us even realizing it. Next is mindsets create blind spots. They can limit our ability to see new opportunities or perspectives. Thirdly, mindsets can be developed. With awareness and effort, you can reshape your mindset for growth and success. So take a moment to consider, how is your mindset influencing your choices and shaping your future? Is it adding value or is it not? Understanding our mindset can help us. Number 1, attitude is the filter through which we can see life. A positive attitude allows us to view challenges as opportunities, while a negative one creates obstacles. Number 2, beliefs form the core of our mindset, shaping how we see ourselves and the possibilities around us. If you believe you are limited, you will act accordingly. But if you believe growth is possible, you will seek opportunities to expand and improve. Number 3, culture deeply affects how we think, cope with challenges, and make decisions. It includes not just our background, but also the environment that we are currently in. Adaptability is key to success in diverse environments. Let's use some more examples. Let's bring it all together with some more examples. Let's take real life scenarios like starting a new school, a new career, or a new business to highlight how attitude, belief, and culture shape our success or the lack of it. Attitude first. It's your lens on the world. So are you seeing opportunity or are you focusing only on the fear? Next is beliefs, the foundation of your mindset. So what do you truly believe about others, students, colleagues, or customers? These beliefs now guide your actions. Thirdly, culture, the invisible influence. Does your culture align with the people around you to be harmonious or create function? So pause for a moment and reflect, because this is not abstract. This is happening in your life right now, even as you watch this video. So what is the summary of all this? So finally, our takeaways on mindset. Your mindset isn't fixed. It's adaptable like a muscle. The more you work on it, the stronger it becomes. Attitude, belief, and culture, the ABC, are the gears that drive your decisions and your success. So ask yourself today, do I have the right mindset for where I want to go? If not, that's okay. Here's how to start reshaping it. So check your attitude daily. Is your approach positive or negative? Challenge your beliefs, identify and change any limiting beliefs that you have. Adapt your cultural norms. Find harmony, not confrontation with people around you. So whether you're 10 or 70, understanding these forces can guide you in your choices every single day. Thank you for joining me today. If this episode helped you and made an iota of difference, please like, subscribe, and share. Have questions or need any guidance? Drop a comment or send me a message. I'd love to hear from you. Let's continue growing together, one mindset shift at a time. Stay positive, stay curious, and until next time, remember, your mindset is everything. Get it right. Thank you, and Guru for now.